Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a collective haul for you guys from yard sales, Dollar Tree, Goodwill, and a gift. So let's get right into it. Let's show you my yard sale find. This is from last week. It's been pretty gloomy here, guys, and I've been a bit busy, so I haven't been able to make any videos, so I am sorry about that. But today is a beautiful Friday, and I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday as well. I plan on trying to be out here as much as possible. It's pretty hot, but I'm trying to get some work done, and I need to get stuff done. And what else? And then spend the evening with the girls watching a movie and some pizza. So let's get right into it. This. Oh wait, there's one more thing. I gotta go get it, but I'll do it after this. At a yard sale, it was so hard to not get this. I was like, what am I going to use it for? I wanted to do a few things. I wanted to use it to plant babies, but I also want to make a really nice arrangement with it, so I'm very undecided. But I paid $1 for that. Like, how could you say no? The lady's like, $1. I'm like, what? So I was like, okay, I'll take it for $1. So that was really, that was a good find. And I'll show you how I'm gonna address the inside. You could put a pot in here. I do have like a galvanized, rusty container that does fit in here. It has oval shape. The only thing I would probably have to push the sides out a little bit. But my husband said he didn't like the way it looked together. So I'm like, okay, I won't do that. So I have another way of doing it. The next thing I'll show you is this beautiful wheelbarrow that my neighbor bought for me. She had ordered it online for me and I didn't know. And yeah, she gifted it to me. She is so sweet. Now let's get to the Goodwill portion. Oh, and Dollar General. I'm sorry. In here, there's something for Dollar General. Guys, how perfect is this? Let me show you. How perfect is that? That is so pretty. I couldn't believe there was only one there. I couldn't believe how cute it was, and it has succulents in the front. And the succulent that I just received from Maria would look beautiful in here, or one of my other purplish pink ones would also look beautiful in here. So I'm excited to pot this up. And then, sorry, the kids are outside playing. My daughters and her cousin. Then I found this beautiful tray. How cute is that? I was like, oh my gosh. And then 99 cents. I couldn't leave it. It's too cute. Very cute. So cute. Anyways. And then at a different Goodwill I like these type of pots. They're very pretty. Very nice for succulents. They're perfect actually for succulents. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole in this. This one was, I think this one was 50 cents. One of these were on sale, but originally it was $1, but I think one of them was on sale. And then I could also picture a really nice arrangement done with this one as well. I really like the shape of it too. Very unique shape. Look at that. And it's pretty big. Maxie, you back outside. You're supposed to be inside. It's too hot over here for you. So yeah, that was pretty nice. So what did I pay? I think I paid $3 altogether, or $2.50. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was $3.50. It's $3.50 because this one was $3. Yep. And that's that. And then I got this tray, and I like this tray for my little baby plants. They're in little small pots, and if I put them in a tray like this, they normally knock over pretty easy because they're so lightweight. So So I like this because it'll keep them there. I'll put a bunch of them together, and I can also water them, and they just, yeah, stay in there really nicely. So I really like that. For $1, you can't beat that at Dollar Tree. Then I got some Spanish moss, a project that I'm thinking about doing. And then I got these inserts, and I'll show you what I'm going to use that for. This Dollar Tree. All this is Dollar Tree. And a wreath for another project that I'm planning on doing. Hopefully I get to it. There's just so many projects to do. And then also maintenance. You know, trying to keep up with the plants, making sure they're watered, making sure that I remove any debris or leaves. It's a lot of work. Now it's becoming a lot of work because there's so much more to take care of. So yeah, I mean, look, I still have these plants that I bought a while ago. They're still sitting in their pots. So I need to do something about that. So yeah, so okay, so these I'm going to, I have to split one. I have to open one. I have to open one so that it lays flat in there. So pretty much all three of them will go in there. I'll show you guys how I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to make an arrangement. Yeah, and I think it's going to look really nice. So I'm excited about that. And let me go show you the one more thing that I got at the same yard. So I had this this plant stand. Okay guys, and this 3-tier plant stand I also got for $1 at the same place. So cute. I'm debating if I should paint it white or just leave it the way it looks. I'm not sure. I kind of like rusty stuff too, rusty looking stuff. So I have to see what I decide. So yeah guys, that's it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and get motivated. Get out of your house and go to yard sales and see what you find. And then if you are on Instagram, let me know what you found, or comment below what you found. But you should go out. People are spring cleaning, and they're probably redoing their backyard as well. And maybe what they might think is trash, you might find very useful, and you could repurpose it. So get motivated and do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.